Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and look at that. We got problems here on the 2013 Hyundai Elantra rear brakes. In fact, it was a big problem. It was scraping pretty bad. Yeah, the wife told me to check it. I looked at it and said, yep, keep driving on it. Yeah, that's smart of me.
Oh, yeah,
but in fact,
stones.
Well, I did wash some stones out of it. But in fact, the brake pad was touching pretty bad. So the wife will be doing this one. And she will be, well, she's going to be using a new tool that I just received. And she can, I'm over there working on a boat motor. So she'll be working on this one. But let her take all this apart and we'll get back to you. So carrying on, the wife is trying to get the rotor off, and that shouldn't be that hard, really. Should just come right off. Huh. Got a locking rotor on there, does she?
That would be a pain.
It's not.
Well, then, what the crap?
You just have to use your muscles. And I know you don't have any.
Whatever. I just don't want to cut myself.
Don't cut yourself.
I already get in trouble for hitting my hand with a hammer.
Would you like me to help?
No.
Okay. The eternal struggle. Anybody want to take a bet right now how long this will take? It's like she has bent wheel lugs. Probably not. It was probably a cheap rotor that was put on. There we go. A little persuasion always goes a long way. Ta-da! It was awesome. Just awesome. Spin that wheel bearing, see how good it is. Still feels good?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's not making any squeaky sounds either.
Okay. You're not going to like what I'm going to tell you. Put the bracket back on.
The thing that I just...
Without the rotor, put the bracket back on.
Oh, you mean this thing here?
Yep, put it back on. So we can spin in the rear brake piston.
Okay.
So there you go. All right. It's got that style. You know, where you got to spin it to get it. Now I got no light.
That's why I'm grabbing you a light.
So, if you look down here, I got a kit. A mega kit with everything we need. I hope. Yeah. I'll give the wife the camera. I just gotta find the one that corresponds with that. You know, probably we don't have it.
Well, that would not be good.
I need some brake clean.
Okay.
So, see how far this piston is out? It's out there pretty far, isn't it? Where is it? There it is. That piston's out really far. So, I have my newfangled tool here.
Newfangled tool.
Newfangled tool. in like that, supposedly. Supposedly. I'm going to put that on it. And we're going to get her in there. Oh my. So I see this is going to be fun because I hate these type of brakes. And hopefully this isn't seized. And that is why I usually put them back in the bracket.
And that's why we're not putting it back in the bracket?
Oh, she's tight. Wonder if we didn't bugger it up. Oh, that ain't moving. Is that jammed? Well, give me a second. So it seems like the caliper is toast. It is not moving. The piston will not spin back in. So that's it. Going to give up on it and get a new caliper. So, yeah.
If you want to donate donate a caliper, go ahead.
We'll be coming back to this, or in the next shot, you'll get to see a new caliper. So it's been a few days later. Had to get a caliper. This one is pooched. Toast. Doesn't work. Won't work again. Seized up. There we go. I covered that. First, let me try to... I had to get the emergency brake cable off. I'll loosen that up there a bit. And, well, let's go from there. So, let's see if I can get this clip out. I should be able to. Don't look too hard. And there we go. That's the clip that holds in the emergency, like, braking system. Or, what do they call that now? Parking brake, I guess, is what they call that. Oops, hey. Let's be careful now, kids. Now, well, now I gotta figure that out. Well, I could have shown you all about how to take all that apart, but I'm sure somebody could guess at that. This, which is the brake cable, goes through this hole and hooks onto here. Not a very difficult thing. Was, though, difficult to get it off, but I chose not to show that. So, there's where this one failed. It will not turn in no matter what type of pressure you put on it. It is quite corroded. It is done for. So, well, let me show the one I'm putting on. So, here is the new one. And let's see if I can get her through here. Yes, get her through there. There is. Let's see if I can get her in here properly. That goes like this. Got my little hammer. And she's in. Now, I would like to, everything's in the way here and spinning. Okay, not spinning now. That's good. Why are we so close? That's better. I got to get her on this right here. Now, hopefully this will work. It worked when I took it off. Well, it might. I think it will. No, I gotta use a skinnier screwdriver type device. Okay, come on. I think I could actually push it with my hand. It's easier way with the screwdriver. Or is it? Yeah, when you got no room, things happen. Okay, I didn't want to show any of what I just did there because it was horrid. It's the worst time I've had with any car trying to get things back together on the emergency brake, and you know, buying aftermarket stuff isn't the funnest in the world because nothing works. Nothing lines up. I had to do some customization. There we go. I will tighten that after I get it back on the bracket. Now, I need a rotor to put on here. So we got a rotor. Is it the right rotor? Well, we'll soon find out. So you never know, right? Funny, the bolts don't line up. Yeah, they do. Stupid.
Kind of scare me.
What? I just said, oh yeah, right.
But it was hard to get on.
Yeah, it was hard to get off, wasn't it?
You made fun of me.
Yeah, it kind of was.
Do you want a mallet?
Sure. Give me a mallet. Tight-fitting rotor. Now she can't find a mallet.
No, I got a mallet. It's your very organized shop here that made me
It is very organized for me. There we go. There you go. I don't have any of the little screws to put in. Those are broken off, by the way. But
they were broken off a long time ago.
we have the new, whatever this thing is called, the bracket. Now,
oh, it came with the caliper?
no, this came with the, yeah, it came with the caliper.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's got lots of goop. I'm going to go with it. Do these fit? I mean, in here. Yes, they do. But I might want to clean them up a bit, which I'll do. Well, let's see if I can get you an action shot. Probably not. I hate Hyundais. That's pretty well what I've been saying through this whole thing, I think. Stupid Hyundai. Yeah, that's true though. Where is it? Oh, it's over here somewhere. Oh, that ain't it. Well, I can't find it. Oh, I think I'm there. I bet you thought I was going to say hole, right? But I'm not even, oh my word. I am retarded. Okay, turn this off. Yeah, it's no fun doing too many jobs at once here. Or should I say, the wife's working on something. I have to find her stuff all the time, too.
Okay, if you put it out where a person can see it.
Yeah, sure. Sure. But, there. The bracket is on, I hope. So I took that bracket down to GNT specs. Does anyone know what that means?
GNT, rate, GNT.
You're already wrong.
Oh.
Good and tight. All right, let's do something about putting some brake shoes on. What kind am I putting on?
They are ceramic because they had no others.
Asbestos ceramic type braking brakes. Ceramic. It says ceramic or semi-metallic materials consistent with original equipment. Oh, okay. But you said these are ceramic, so I'm going with that.
They didn't have semi-metallic.
Gotcha. Well,
We tried.
let's see if this is going to be a fight, like everything else on this car.
Oh, we did.
You know, because I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, let's do the front.
Well, you'll have to fight with something.
I always fight with your car. There's got to be a simpler way of putting brake pads on
I
it.
think you just have a good supper.
Yeah, I'm going to get a good supper. I think I deserve a fantastic 4 supper. I'm kidding. I don't want to drive that far.
A 4 supper?
Fantastic 4.
Oh, no, we're not going to
I was kidding. I don't want that.
And then you'll be disappointed.
That's nice and slidey. Let me get this back one in. These things are just a bugger. So it actually wasn't that hard. I got it. Now, with these type, always make sure these are aligned. There's a pin on the back of the brake for the back brake. And it is aligned up and down to go on there. Now, let me see here. Well, it just so happens, it looks like this piston isn't in all the way. You had to screw me around, didn't you, brake? You had to. You had to make me break the tools out to try to spin you farther in. Oh, how I hate these type of braking systems. Okay, now I gotta finish tightening. Camera's wobbling all over. Typical. Now tightening the, remember this thing only needs just a snug. Don't go ape on it. There we go. Just a snug with a 10-foot handle. That should be just enough. Now I cracked open the, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me wife in the vehicle, pump the brakes up, and then I'm going to bleed the air out of it. Because that is the only way. I can hear that air coming through. You holding it down? Yeah. All right. Ooh, a lot of air. Go again. Ooh, we got some fluid. Go again. Okay, one more time. There we go. I think that should do her. I don't know if I have my brake cleaner around here, I'd clean all this up. But you're good. Do what properly?
My job. You didn't say what you were supposed to say.
Need the brake clean, thank you. There we go. I think we're done. At least I hope we are. Had enough working on this beast. But I'll put the tire back on her and the wife can drive it again. Which is good because it's all done. Looks fine. And, well, it went slow and it was horrible when I got to it. But it's should be a beautifully working brake system now. All right, thanks for watching.